This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Etea profile and confirming your login credentials. Once logged in, navigate straight to the profile or My Account area. Make sure your photo meets requirements. A recent, passport-style headshot with a clear background and no accessories that block the face. If your image is too large, compress it to under 200 KB or resize to 600 by 600 pixels. Doing this now prevents upload errors and speeds the next steps. Once done preparing the file, click Edit Profile or the camera icon and choose Upload Photo. This opens your device files so you can select the prepared JPG or PNG. After selecting the file, use the built-in Preview and Crop tool to center your face and set the frame. Make sure the eyes sit roughly 1/3 from the top. Then hit Confirm or Save and watch the progress bar. If it completes, the new image replaces the old one immediately. Finish by clicking Save Profile and refreshing the page to verify that your new photo displays in thumbnails and official views. If the upload fails, try a smaller file size, re-export as JPG, or switch to a different browser. Temporary cache or strict browser extensions can block uploads. Should issues continue, note any error message, take a screenshot, and contact Etea support, providing your scenic and the error details so they can resolve permission or account-side problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.